Hello everybody and welcome to another episode of Skate 3 with our main man, Juan the Bird. Yeah, that's right. I said Juan the Bird. Got a problem with it? Nah, I don't care. I thought so. Alright. Today we're bringing you with a new skate park. We're so happy we get to show you guys a skate park. Okay. First off, we're gonna go to number 1. Yes, right here. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Yeah, oh my. Alright, let's go. Let's go. Okay, I completely missed that, but let's go. I'm trying. Let's go. You're such a mean tube. Like, how are you gonna do that to me after all the things I've done for you? Yes, see that? Jesus, take the wheel. Oh, hey, what's this? Wait, I'm gonna keep going. Oh. Let's keep going. Let's hit some speed. Okay, that was sick. Alright, let's go to the next one. Yeah, you see that? I'm a pro skater now. So we finally. Okay, let's try again. Oh my god! Yeah, I want to do that one more time. That was amazing. Oh my god. Wait, what? Yo, it's a fraud. I made that perfectly. Okay, I'm gonna put this right here. Let's see. Nose manual. Yes. I am the bird. Okay. Right now, I'm gonna try to grind it. Like, it is a grind again. Alright, let's go. Oh yeah, I grind that. Yes, I did this. Oh my, and I landed. Let's go. Okay. This one now. Go. Are you kidding me? Look at it. Why is my leg stuck in there? Oh my. Is it like I have bad luck or something? Like every time. Bird! Okay, let's go back to this. Nose manual. Fly. Alright. Now this time I really have to make this. I'm getting like so annoyed right now. Let's go. Hold on to it just in case. Always wear your seatbelt, kids. And never be like on the. What was that? Nose manual. Why did you? What was your problem? Are you like? Okay, oh my god, I'm like so annoyed right now. Let's go. Yeah, guys, thank you for the support. We have 30 subscribers now. We now have 13. Okay, I'm really mad now. Let's do some. There we go. All right. How do you land this? No, I get. You can't land this for some. I used a speed boost. Okay. Oh! Swag. That's what I'm talking about. Jump in. Are you kidding me? I mean, this. I'm not quitting now. I'm not quitting. I give up. I'm not quitting now. Oh! I didn't mean to press that. No. Yes. Spawn right there. Alright, I give up. Alright, guys, so it basically is lead back there. Alright, now we're going to, that's the beat. Big, oh. Hey. Swag. Oh, take flight. Swag. Let's go. Oh my god. Oh. Let's go. Why is it every time I go for a stunt, you can't even make one? Okay. Yeah, so this guy made an amazing track that I can't even land. How can you make that jump? Like a boss. Yes! Yeah, so basically that's all. Didn't know. Oh, wait, I forgot about the teleport. Let's go. Oh, woo! Alright, let's go. Alright, right here, teleport. Yes, where do we teleport to? Oh! Swag! Let's go. Oh! Alright, that's what happened on that one. Now let's go to the next one. Let's go to the next one. Yellow, yeah. Alright, let's go. Oh! Okay, I give up. I'm like, how did that not work? I used to always go like, and then I used to get my. Alright, let's go. Best dog ever. Yes. Alright, so this was today's map. It was an amazing map. I didn't land any of it. So, bye-bye. I'm gonna end this video for Take Flight. Goodbye, everybody. Goodbye. See you guys next time on Little Kitchen Gaming.